unlocking the meaning of score a home run in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that's not only popular in sports but also widely used in everyday English conversations: score a home run. Whether you're a baseball fan or not, understanding this phrase will definitely add a fun twist to your English vocabulary. Let's hit it out of the park and get started. Before we dive into the metaphorical uses of score a home run, it's crucial to understand its literal origin. In baseball, a home run is a hit by the batter that allows him to circle all the bases, ending at home plate, scoring a run for his team without being put out or making an error. It's a highly celebrated moment in a game, often resulting in cheers and excitement. Scoring a home run is a significant achievement, showcasing skill, power, and timing. Now, let's explore how score a home run transcends the baseball diamond and finds its place in everyday English. When someone says they scored a home run in a non-sporting context, they mean they have achieved a great success or accomplished something challenging with outstanding results. It's used to express a major win, whether in business, personal achievements, or any area where success can be measured. Examples of its use include: in business, our team really scored a home run with the latest product launch. Sales have exceeded all expectations. In personal achievements, I think I scored a home run at the job interview. They offered me the position on the spot. Understanding phrases like score a home run enriches your English vocabulary and helps you grasp the nuances of the language. It allows you to appreciate the cultural elements that shape the way English is spoken and understood. Plus, using such expressions can make your language more vibrant and engaging, helping you connect better with native speakers and fellow learners alike. And that's a wrap on Score a Home Run. We hope this video has not only enlightened you on this fun and dynamic phrase but also shown you how English is filled with expressions derived from its culture, including sports. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the cultural nuances that make it such a rich and interesting language. Thank you for watching, and we hope you hit a home run in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.